Someone said greed is the root of all evils. Bhopal gas tragedy, December 1984, world's worst industrial disaster, which left its influence in Bhopal for thousands of years. In Bhopal, many people were unemployed, and this time a new factory was established, Union Carbide India Limited. This factory was established in 1969. This was make opportunity for unemployed and poor people. But they don't know that this factory who make pesticide will kill Bhopal's people. This dark night of Bhopal that changed the lives of the people of Bhopal. Night of 2nd December 1984. People of Bhopal sleep normally, but they don't know this night is not normal. 1969, a new factory was established. Bhopal's people have big smile in their face because many people don't have jobs. Jobs is a hardcore need of Bhopal's people. Union Carbide India Limited. This factory make MIC, methyl isocyanate, for pesticide. This is very dangerous gas known to man. In factory, many people go for jobs, but in factory there was not any safety equipments. Owner do not think for his workers, he only think for big productions. And 22 ton of methyl isocyanate was kept in this plant, which was very dangerous. And the production is more and more, so the safety of the city was ignored. The MIC was like a bomb in the middle of the city. On the night of 2nd December, water suddenly started entering in the E610 tank, and then the MIC started taking a dangerous form with water, which caused the pressure in the tank to rise. And then slowly the pressure increased so much that 42 ton MIC came out of the tank and spread to 8 kilometers within an hour. People sitting in the house started coughing up. All the people were coughing and they were also bleeding from their mouths. They did not know that was happening. After a while, they came to know that from the very large plant of Bhopal, MIC is leaked. It was also difficult to breathe. People started running away from the house and some started dying on the way, and some people hide in the water so that the chemical that is on their skin is removed. But MIC also made all the water acid, and then after a while in the water, a pile of corpses was found. Then it was morning when the dead body was stacked in Bhopal. People's life changed in one night. Methyl isocyanate gas killed more than 15,000 people and affected over 6 lakh people. He influenced the genes of 500,000 people and also influenced their future generation. The plant's chairman Warren Anderson gave $470 million to the Indian government. But Can they correct the genes of those people who have been affected by MIC by 700 crores? Someone truly said, greed is the root of all evil.